my gosh, I'm so sorry. That was my bad. Hold on. I can fix this.
No.
But I made a mistake. I can fix this just fine.
I said no.
Really, wait, Rosie. I know I can fix this. Look, I can help so that this won't happen. See, I can just.
You need to go. Now.
Oh.
I need some space. Okay, it's not you or anything. I just need some space.
But it's really, I just.
You said you would be different, Sam. You said you wouldn't mess this up, but you are just like everyone else. This was a brand new deck. A brand new start. And it's already over.
I know, but I also said I wouldn't just leave when the going gets tough. I can try again. That was an accident, but if I do better next time, then...
No!
Okay, but how about we just do...
No! You aren't careful enough, Sam. It's time for you to go.
I don't understand this.
It's okay. I know this is hard.
He just doesn't even seem to care. Why does he do that?
Cody, I know that this is not what you imagined, but nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes, and we make a lot of them.
Oh, maybe, but Peter makes them on purpose. I try so hard, and he never does. I don't know where this came from. Everything was so good in the beginning. You know, he seemed interested in anything I had to say, but now I have no idea where this came from. I think I lost him.
What do you mean?
He feels like a completely different person. He used to act like he cared about me, trusting him, and now it doesn't even seem to affect him when he breaks the very trust he pleaded for. He used to speak to me. He used to make all these beautiful promises, and now he never seems to think about what he said. I'm the one working for us. He's just grunting his approval.
Well, hey, this is a joint effort. If he isn't doing anything, then maybe you shouldn't let him in.
I can't do that. I need him.
Well,
Look, I need him. I can give him more chances, right?
If he's being horrible to you...
He hasn't done anything really awful yet.
Okay, look. If you are going to give him another chance, then it cannot continue like this. You need to talk to him. This is not just about one of you. This is about both of you. I mean, this whole process is about getting through the hard times together and not letting the hard times get to you. Okay?
I know. You're right. Just frustrating. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's not important right now. Okay, look. I know this is hard, but you gotta try. If you really need him, help him get through this with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Just talk to him. Get him to see how you feel and help him show you how he feels. Okay?
I will.
You need something?
Yeah, I wanted to talk to you really quickly.
About what?
Well, I really wanted to apologize. I know it may not seem like it, but I really wasn't trying to make you mad. I don't want to be like the other guys, you know?
I know, okay? And like I told you before, I just need some space to think about this. There's a lot going on right now, and I can't even handle being around you.
But you're the only one I can go to. I can't go back home. They hate me there.
I get that, but at least they're sober.
Sorry. I shouldn't complain. You definitely have it way worse than me. I guess I can deal with it.
You'll have to.
Can I at least help out with something? You said you have a lot going on. Is there anything I can do?
There is nothing you can do for me. I need to do this on my own.
Oh, sorry if I made you mad again.
It's okay. I'll figure it out.
Right. Well, I hope you're okay.
What's up?
Oh, hey! What are you doing here?
I don't know. Thought I might come by, help out. Thought you might like me around or something.
Oh, sure. I guess. Oh,
It
let
looks
me
pretty
see.
good so far.
Oh, thank you. I've been working on it a lot.
Neat. Mind if I help out?
Oh, well, I don't know if there's anything you can do right now.
Oh, come on. I've known you forever. This will be great.
Well, okay.
Perfect. Look, it's not that hard.
Yeah, I'm glad you picked it up so quickly.
Oh, this is light work. I've done this about 100 times.
You have?
Of course, all the time. I know exactly how this goes.
But you've never done this with me before, so maybe it would be, different.
No, it's always the same.
If you say so.
Say, do you remember that time when,
Ron, what are you doing?
like I said, I do this all the time. I know exactly how to make it from ever breaking. Haven't you noticed these things fall apart pretty easily?
Well, yes, but keeping it apart isn't going to keep it together.
Well, obviously, don't be ridiculous. Things fall apart all the time, but I know the cause of it. It's these little things.
What do you mean?
Well, I don't work well with them because of the way they are. It's like they have to look this way and they have to be this way, but I want it my way, you know?
Ron, you can't have everything your way. You have to follow the rules at least a little bit if
Ugh, sure. Don't talk to me about rules. That's just going to make me mad. I like the things the way I like it, not the way other people like it. See, look, it's better.
What are you doing?
I'm making it work. Look, use this. It'll look better, and it works too. See, it's better.
I mean, if that's what you think.
Of course, that's what I think. Now, wait, the rest of it doesn't match.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, I like the parts I made, but I want to make it all the way I like.
No!
Hey, what was that? I liked how I was making it.
But I didn't!
So? You're way too controlling. Jeez. You'll never build anything beautiful because you don't know how it's supposed to be. Everything wrong with that ugliness you make? begins with you.
Hey,
What is it?
hey, can I talk to you for a sec?
Yep. Yep, what is it?
Uh, I think, I think I'm getting kicked out of my house.
What?
Yeah, I don't know. Uh, I, I don't know what to do.
Hey, it's okay. Look, if you ever need anything, or like a place to go, or I've got your back. Okay? I am here for you.
Thank you. I'm here for you too, okay?
I know.
I'm sorry I invaded your space. I know you needed. I just really needed to finally talk to someone.
It's okay. I know.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Rosie, you mean so much to me.
I know.
And I don't like being away from you. You mean too much to me to just let go.
Well, I'm willing to think that someday you can come back.
I'm willing to wait. You are worth it.
No, Sam.
But I thought that you...
That's the problem. You think way too much, and you're obsessed with the idea of me, and you don't even want to let me go.
Rosie.
I said no! Sam, look what you've done.
But I
No, Sam, no. This is just like before. You ruined it again.
But I didn't even...
Of course you didn't. It's never your fault, is it? You are not willing to see your own faults, and it's always someone else who is the cause of the problem, isn't it?
I didn't say that.
No, you didn't. Instead, you said all of these colorful things about being a better guy than everyone else, and you try so hard to be this Prince Charming. Well, guess what? You are just like the rest of them.
Well, what about Ron?
What about him?
He came by, didn't he? I can see he left his mark.
What about it?
Nothing. Just think about it. I'm sorry.
Enough.
I really...
Enough, Sam. I'm tired. Go away.
How do I tell her? How do I show her? Is it too soon? Is it too late? Does she know? Does she care? If this is a game of comparisons, then why can't she see the contrast? I try to talk to her, and I get shut down. If I was given a chance, do you think it would make a difference? What more could I have done? Did I do too much or not enough? She must have felt something, so why didn't she just admit it? Look, I know I messed up, okay? But seriously? Just like that? No more anything? You didn't even give me, you, or us, a freaking chance. What the... I understand I ruined everything. I understand I didn't stick to the perfect life you wanted. But what do I do now? I know I promised to be different, but being different doesn't mean that I won't make mistakes. It means that I will recover from the mistakes I'll make and try to be better. I'll improve. You won't let me go back to try again. Don't I deserve that? I didn't get another chance. Who am I kidding? I never even got a real first chance. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, man. You gotta talk to her.
I want to talk to her, but she needs her space. And I'm afraid that if I don't talk to her, I won't ever figure this out.
figure this out if I don't have the time I
I
need.
need to tell her what I feel.
I feel so frustrated. I can't
Open
up.
up. That's all I ask. I broke your trust.
My trust, and that is just not okay. This is about working together to figure this out.
So, will you
Talk about this together. That's all I need.
Is someone who can
Just listen to what I'm saying. I can at least
try to understand.
We need to work together. So why won't you?
I don't think you can.
Can you?
I can fix this.